Over the last 10 years, Bitcoin has gained immense popularity and become a sought-after investment option. Its users are not only limited to investment but also purchasing goods and services for their daily needs with cryptocurrency. Although it may seem complicated initially, once you grasp the concept, selling items in exchange for cryptocurrency is relatively simple. In this guide, we will provide you with a step-by-step process to help you get started with selling things for Bitcoin. To receive more informative and exciting content like this, kindly remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. What is Bitcoin? In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto developed Bitcoin as a digital asset and payment system that operates using blockchain technology. This decentralized system enables users to conduct peer-to-peer transactions without relying on a central authority, such as a bank or government. Bitcoin is available for trading on exchanges and can be utilized to purchase various goods and services. Why sell stuff for Bitcoin? Selling products or services for Bitcoin offers several advantages to Bitcoin holders. Firstly, it is an excellent way to increase their holdings. Secondly, it provides an opportunity to gain more exposure for their products or services. Lastly, if the product is popular within the cryptocurrency community, selling it for Bitcoin may yield a higher profit than selling it for fiat currency. How to sell stuff for Bitcoin? After discussing the reasons why selling items for Bitcoin can be beneficial, let's explore how the process works. To get started, you must create a digital wallet, where your Bitcoin will be stored. There are several wallet options available, and it is recommended to conduct research and select the one that suits your needs. The next step is to find a platform where you can sell your goods or services. You can use an online marketplace that accepts cryptocurrency transactions or a website that supports freelance work and cryptocurrency payments, such as Xbit Freelancer. Additionally, you can directly contact potential buyers and advertise that you accept Bitcoin payments. Once a buyer is found, and a price is agreed upon, the sale can be finalized. The buyer's Bitcoin will be transferred to your digital wallet once the transaction is verified by the network, and you can access the funds immediately. Overall, selling items for Bitcoin is a straightforward process, but it is crucial to conduct research beforehand to determine the most suitable options for your requirements. Using escrow services to sell stuff for Bitcoin. Employing an escrow service is the most effective method of guaranteeing satisfaction for both parties involved in a transaction. Escrow services serve as impartial third parties, securely holding funds until all conditions of the agreement are met. The buyer deposits the money into the escrow account and releases it to the seller once they receive the item or service. This method reduces mistrust, as both parties know that their money will not be released until they are content with the transaction. Furthermore, these services provide protection against fraud for both buyers and sellers, providing dispute resolution in case of dissatisfaction. As a result, escrow services are a secure option for exchanging money in various transactions. If you are interested in using an escrow service, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, it is crucial to ensure that the service is trustworthy and secure. Secondly, it is advisable to read reviews of different escrow services before making a selection. Lastly, it is important to understand the agreement's terms and any associated fees before signing up for the service. By following these steps, you can guarantee that both parties are satisfied with the transaction's outcome. Advantages of selling stuff for Bitcoin. Selling items for Bitcoin has several benefits, including the potential to earn substantial profits due to the rising value of Bitcoin. Additionally, the process is straightforward and doesn't require setting up a merchant account. You only need a Bitcoin wallet to start accepting payments. Finally, accepting payments in cryptocurrency is a secure option as payments are sent directly to your wallet and cannot be reversed, eliminating the risk of chargebacks or fraud. Disadvantages of selling stuff for Bitcoin. Selling stuff for Bitcoin has its drawbacks as well. Firstly, Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, and its value can rapidly increase or decrease, potentially resulting in losses if you're not careful. Secondly, Bitcoin is still not widely accepted as a payment method, making it difficult to find buyers willing to pay in Bitcoin. Lastly, since Bitcoin is relatively new, there are many rumors and speculation surrounding it, which can make it challenging to discern fact from fiction. Misinformation can lead to poor decision-making, resulting in financial losses. Tips for selling stuff for Bitcoin. To ensure a successful sale of items for Bitcoin, here are some tips. Firstly, research the current market value of Bitcoin to set a reasonable price for your items. If your asking price is too high, potential buyers may not be interested. Next, create a secure and easy system for buyers to purchase from you in Bitcoin, whether it's through an online marketplace, an escrow service, or a direct transaction. Promote your items on Bitcoin-related websites and forums to reach potential customers who are interested in making purchases with cryptocurrency. Also, be aware of any crypto tax regulations in your area and ensure that you comply with them when accepting payments in Bitcoin. Consider offering discounts to customers who pay with cryptocurrency to incentivize more people to make purchases using Bitcoin. Finally, educate yourself on common scams and fraudulent activities associated with selling items for Bitcoin. Knowing how to avoid scams can help you keep your Bitcoin safe and secure. In general, exchanging goods and services for Bitcoin has both advantages and disadvantages. However, selling items for Bitcoin can be a profitable venture if approached with caution and proper research. It's important to keep in mind that the value of Bitcoin is highly speculative and can fluctuate rapidly in either direction, so it's crucial to be vigilant and protect your Bitcoins. Thank you for watching. To receive more informative and exciting content like this, kindly remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family.